Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage content you see on X or Twitter. So if you want to do that, you want to manage the kind of content that you see on your Twitter account. Just open the Twitter app on your phone, then tap on the profile icon, then from there you tap on profile. Now you don't tap on profile, you tap on security and privacy, then from there you tap on this option, which is privacy and safety. You tap on this, then from there you tap on the content you see, you tap on it, then from here you can decide to set the kind of content you see. You can manage the kind of content you see on your X app, starting from the topics. So our topic you're interested in, just give 2 seconds to load. Okay, from here you can decide the kind of content you see. If it is football, American football, you can follow them. American football, basketball, you're following, and you got okay, good. And if you don't want to say one of these are the followed. These are the ones that you followed. So there's one that you followed that you're not interested in. You are not. So currently you don't have any topic uninterested in. Well, probably if you are not interested in any of these, just unfollow this. Then maybe Beyonce, you can unfollow. Then you can went back and still not interested in. She's still not there yet, but at least you unfollow some set of topics, and that's how you can manage the type of content you see on X app. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.